Remember, the video description and first comment have links to upcoming workshops and courses. Hi, I'm Rocio Santibanez, Yuen method instructor. Here's a challenge to beat tiredness, apathy, and fatigue. There's also a list to help eliminate physical, mental, and emotional exhaustion. Don't miss it. This strengthening exercise will greatly help you physically. First, we'll boost growth hormone production, distribution, absorption, and transport to structures, organs, tissues, and cells. We do this 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time, infinitely. We'll increase alkaline pH, negative ions, and negative electromagnetic field. We'll eliminate acidic pH, positive ions, and positive electromagnetic field. We boost oxygen and glucose flow to cell mitochondria, tissues, organs, and structures. We increase carbon and nitrogen in the central nervous system and all cell mitochondria. We enhance mitochondrial quality and quantity in cells to boost energy levels. We improve capillarity in muscles, tendons, ligaments, bones, and cartilage to boost circulation. We're going to raise internal energy to at least 9 volts. We'll strengthen the spine, syncing it with heart and lung rhythms at full potential constantly. We'll strengthen the lower brain, sacrum, and tailbone to increase physical energy. We're going to balance the upper and lower body, aligning the top with the bottom and vice versa, as well as the right side with the left and the left with the right, the front with the back with the front, the top with the bottom with the top. We strengthen all this to make it level, centered, balanced, and stable. We'll boost hydration and oxygenation in muscles, tendons, ligaments, bones, cartilage, and all cells and their mitochondria. We'll remove excess calcium in cells that hinders hydration in the body's soft tissues. We'll eliminate organ fusion, remove stagnation and blockages that prevent proper body hydration and oxygenation. We'll enhance cellular detox, removing excess calcium, dead cells, parasites, their waste, and decaying substances. We'll erase memories of extreme fatigue from past lives and memories of physical, emotional, religious, and family-related slavery. We erase all memories of physical and mental fatigue to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. We'll also erase diseases from past lives that cause tiredness, organ diseases, and mental illnesses. We'll erase all of this to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. We'll also remove memories of dying from exhaustion, of weakening the body to the point of no longer living. We erase all our memories and those of our ancestors to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. We'll also erase all spiritual ties that are causing us tiredness. We'll strengthen them to 100% infinite co-potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. And thus strengthened, we send them to other universes, existences, dimensions, time, space, and unknown places. We'll separate from the tired human collective, those without desire, enthusiasm, or who feel apathy towards life. We separate and erase all weaknesses to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. We'll align with the human collective that has enthusiasm, is active, forward-thinking, and seeks ways to achieve. We align with all of them at 100% infinite co-potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. Let's clear away all this energy of wrong questions, incorrect answers, and unanswered queries that exhaust both body and mind. We'll erase all of this to 0 minus infinity 100% of the time for infinite time. We'll remove the built-up effect of every single time you've felt apathy and fatigue. We'll wipe it from you, your ancestors and descendants in this life and others to 0 minus infinity 100% of the time for infinite time. We'll erase the weariness of others within you, your mothers, fathers, ancestors, communities, and those you regularly interact with. We clear this fatigue you feel, but that isn't yours, to 0 minus infinity 100% of the time for infinite time. Let's eliminate misconceptions, contradictory views, and distorted, exaggerated ideas about your health, emotions, problems, and how your body feels. We'll erase this cumulative effect to 0 minus infinity 100% of the time, infinitely. We'll strengthen lymph nodes, fluids, channels, ducts, and centers to 100% with infinite potential continuously. We'll optimize levels of endorphins, serotonin, neuropeptides, prostaglandin, and melatonin. Will increase these fully and permanently to 100% with infinite potential continuously. Will enhance atoms, cells, molecules, and quantum particles, separation, motion, energy, vacuum, and synergy. We'll do this to 100% with infinite potential, continuously and infinitely. Let's remove the built-up effects of stress, anxiety, tension, and inability to relax to 0 minus infinity 100% of the time for infinite time. Let's increase perfect relaxation in your micro and macro body to 100% with infinite potential all the time. Will erase everything that's unconsciously causing fatigue in your body. Will erase it totally, completely, permanently, absolutely, and perfectly. Will also remove all that prevents, limits, delays, hinders, or blocks you from doing your tasks, feeling energized, feeling motivated, strong, and enthusiastic, be it physical or not, whether we've specified it or not. Let it come from you and will erase all that's not from within, whether in your mind or your physical form, in your conscious, unconscious, or subconscious mind. Will erase it with all its built-up effects. Will remove all traces and remnants of what tires you, affecting you completely, all the time, infinitely. Will clear all physical fatigue from your spaces, mainly your bed, bedroom, and every room in your home. Will send this to other universes, dimensions, time, space, dark matter, energy, and unknown realms. Will erase any guilt or weakness from feeling good, enthusiastic, happy, and motivated. Let's erase all religious, cultural, ancestral, family, and social influences that say feeling good is wrong, sinful, or irresponsible. We'll delete this completely to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. We'll strengthen all internal and external dynamics, limits, and vertices of our geometries to 100% with infinite potential forever. We ensure all these deletions are total, complete, permanent, absolute, and perfect. Let's reset, recalibrate, reprogram, rejuvenate, reconnect, and readjust your body, mind, and spirit to 100% with infinite potential forever. All right, now tell me, do you feel the same or different? If this strengthening helps you, please support me by sharing, commenting, and liking. This is the fuel that allows me to continue doing this. I'm sending you a hug. Thank you.